Hi guys, it's me T Furtara. Today I'm gonna read
Filipino.
Let's read Pagtukoy ng mga salitang
Ngalan.
nangan. Pangkatin sa ibaba ang mga salitang nasa kwento, araw, barangay, anak, koko, kaibigan, bata, ana, ospital, bantay, aso,
Parke.
mona, Quezon, upuan, puno,
Oh, you put the tao. Where's the tao there? You put the name here. Tao. What is tao?
ana,
You put there. Small so that it will fit. You put check if you're done.
check,
Copy it. Big letter. Oh.
Ay.
Yes.
bagay,
All the names start. Tao.
bata, check, anak, check,
What else?
it's not. What is a puno? What's a puno?
Puno is a tree.
Ay. Muna,
Oh, that's a name.
ay. Wait, big M. Muna.
Next, bagay.
What is bagay? Ma'am.
Thing.
Is it puno tree?
Puno, tree.
What is a coco?
Coconut.
Coconut is not a thing, that's a food. Hospital. Bantay. Quezon? Yes! Upuan. That's upuan. Upuan. Check. What is the park? Where the kids play? They play, but play is just like a toy.
Next, hayop.
Wait, no more.
You check.
Barangay. What's a barangay? Ma'am.
Barangay hall. Kaibigan. What is kaibigan? Tao, bagay, hayop.
Wait.
Next, hayop.
Hayop.
What is hayop?
Me?
Hayop.
Hayop.
Louder, hayop. What is hayop?
Hayop. Wait.
Place, thing.
I said
Animal, what? Person.
animal, aso. Aso. Anything?
Hayop, only hayop. You check the hayop.
Aso.
You check the aso.
Check.
Until say hayop. Oh, lugar, what is lugar?
Lugar.
What is lugar? Lugar. What is lugar?
Lake. Quezon.
What is lugar?
I don't know.
Place.
Place. Quezon. Quezon. Check. Park. Check. Check. Araw. Ay, nothing.
What are you putting?
Lugar.
What is araw? Is that a place? What is araw?
No. It's not a place.
O what is araw in Tagalog? Ay, English.
Work. Work.
Anong work? Araw, isa saan? No?
It's a sun.
Not ano. Araw. Not a work.
Then where do I put the arrow?
That one, where will you put that? Barangay.
Lugar. Barangay. I don't have space. Don't have space.
Lala, you can put it at the side.
What is a puno? It's a tree.
I already teach you.
Ban
Oh, puno.
puno. It's a tree.
Where did you check barangay?
Check.
You read that.
Salitang nanglan.
Ngalan.
Nangan. Ito ay
Ngalan?
nangan ng tao, hayop, bagay, lugar, o
Pangyayari.
pangyayari. Mga halamin, halimbawa, kapatid, ibon, sorbetes, park,
Okay.
parke, karawan,
Oh, parawan. Oh. Go, read.
na what? Lagyan ng check kung salitang nangan ang tinutukoy at X naman kung hindi. Are you ready video me?
If it's salitang ngalan.
Bakit?
Oh. What is salitang ngalan? Tao, hayop, bagay, lugar, o pangyayari. Bakit? Oh, salitang ngalan. Oh, it's not.
Just the word.
That's a question.
Bata, that's a tao. Check. Coco is just like there. What is Coco?
Bagay.
Check. Kami? What is that?
Kami.
People.
Us.
Tao, that's a tao. Check. I know what is a frutas.
Oh.
It's a fruit.
Oh.
Fruit.
Oh.
Not a food. It's yes.
Pangalan na tao, hayop, bagay. Okay, bagay.
Check. Bye.
Ah, that's a name, Coco. You put Coco.
Ko. How do you